What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another development session with Fit. We're working on PHP systems today. Going to be doing some PHP object-oriented language programming along with database access using SQL, MySQLi, and then we're going to be doing HTML, CSS, some JavaScript to make it all look nice and come together for our client. And then I do have some copyright-free music I'll be playing, some ethnic stuff to entertain me and everybody else with some background noise while we proceed here. So appreciate you guys tuning in for our sessions here. This is going to be a lot of fun coming up. All right, so let us pick up exactly where we left off last night. I'm gonna open up Notion here. Okay, so test table configuration, test upload status window, MP4 configuration, decoding, displaying, database access layer. Let's take a look at the site. Amazing. All right, this I want to fix right now. This is index. So I'm gonna try and do a better job of making sure I always switch whenever I'm working on something in my active window here. I'm sure it won't be perfect, but I'll try and do a good job. All right, this page, the lifetime, market, intelligence, membership, and content below is actually not centered. It is too far to the left. Can you analyze CSS? See what is happening. All right, off to a good start. Just fixing something real quick. All right. Let's try that. And let's do our first update. Okay. Well, now it's not centered. Now it's even worse. Should probably fix the CSS myself. All right, let's try and just revert this real quick. Okay, now it's back to where it was before. So the issue is, oh, now it looks centered. Hang on, what's happening? Hey, it's just the margin for this product card, right? So let's go back over here. Product card, max width, tech 600 pix. So we just margin left auto, margin right auto, and then let's just index that change and see what happens. All right. Looks fine now, right? Okay, I can move on. So we're gonna just go ahead and log in. All right, configuration pane. Now, where we left off, we're trying to make it so that thumbnails get automatically generated, right? Okay. Let's take a look at our. That's what's next. So let me just admin dashboard. Okay, automatic thumbnail generation of videos. Okay, so we have installed FFmpeg, and then we have our database here with MP4. Should have the new column for the thumbnail. Okay, so switch over to cursor real quick. Upload video, update video. What's this? Upload video. Okay, let's do this. And I'm gonna drag this into ChatGPT and consult with chat real quick on this. Okay, I have installed FFmpeg completely in root folder in a new folder called FFmpeg. Okay, and let me bring it over to the prompt. Sorry guys. Okay, and so I've installed FFmpeg completely in root folder. We need to make it so that when I upload a video, it randomly takes a screenshot of the video to use as a thumbnail. This would have been so much easier if I just made it so that my client could upload his own thumbnail, but I wanted to remove that effort from him. So we're going to make it so that when I upload a video, it takes a screenshot of the video, uses a thumbnail. So here's my upload video.php. Here's the pane PHP where admin can modify and upload. Okay, let's grab that. And here's the structure of one table, which is videos MP4. I need SQL to add new column to manage thumbnail insertion to DB table. Automatically upon upload. Process as string for long blob, I guess. Long for blob. It doesn't need to be long blob, right? Or yeah, blah 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 blah. So, and here's the structure of the videos MP4 table. So I need the SQL to generate a new column for that, and then we will just move on from there. See what it says. To include thumbnail in your videos, you need to add your new column. Here's SQL first. Love it. Okay. Thumbnail, varchar. Now we'll just do the same thing for the other two. And then this is web m. Okay. Let's see what chat says now. Update. Capture the thumbnail in the use FFmpeg to extract a random script. For example. Okay. Uploads thumbnails. Okay, so we're gonna create this file path. Uploads folder thumbnails. Create. Okay. Okay, please help me implement. Okay, I'm gonna use this code in the upload video, and then let's just give this. Right. Please help me implement these changes to accommodate automatic insertion of thumbnail using FFmpeg. I installed FFmpeg on Bluehost host server in file manager in folder in root directory called that. Here's the code I think I need to implement. Okay, so we're gonna just copy this over. This is the insertion, and this is to display. And this could be in Media Hub. When the admin uploads video. This should happen. Okay, let's try that. All right, guys, I'm going to pause it. I'll be right back with you, okay? All right, guys, we're getting right back into it. Working on the same thing. This is wanting to update upload video. Okay, and then this wants to update Media Hub. What's happening here is kind of frozen. It's just stuck generating. Cancel. Let's try applying. Please work. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Accept. Save. Okay. Save all. And then okay. And then for this page, let's not yell at the AI. We do need to make it so that where the admin enables videos, we can see a small square with the current thumbnail that we can click on to enlarge in a modal. And when we do this, we can re-roll the screenshot using Ajax to refresh the thumbnail being used. Okay, this is a lot of massive updates. I'm gonna have to test if it's accessing FFmpeg and everything else. So let's just roll out these changes and then do a bunch of testing and debugging. Okay, we're gonna apply these changes to pane. Come on, keep going. Okay, accept. And then we're gonna make a static file here. Let's see, reroll thumbnail.php. Oh, how did I spell reroll? Hang on. R-E-R-O-L-L. Okay, that's correct. All right, let's just switch over then. Here comes the testing and debugging then. We're gonna have to process this a few times, I'm sure. So okay, so let's go back here. Okay, no thumbnail, reroll thumbnail. Let's try this. Modal's not opening up. It's possible that this is happening because it doesn't have a thumbnail. So, all right, first what we're gonna do is, okay, hang on. Okay. First, to get this configured properly, let's open up upload video and switch over for you. So we're gonna modify these two files. Okay. So at the bottom, we can see FFmpeg status, right? It should find the installation. Currently is not finding. Make sure you are using the folder I told you about I created in File Manager for my PHP system in root folder called FFmpeg. All right. Now, let's see. Now we're going to modify a couple things before we even get to the testing and debugging, really. Pane. Let's apply pane. This is more hopeful. Perhaps this will even locate the installation of FmpEg right now. Let's find out. Okay, going back. Still says not found, right? It still says not found. I'm not sure if you are finding the folder correctly. Can I send Claude screenshots? Okay, and then, oops, what is this? Pane. Apply this change to search for the root directory one more time. Switch over. Upload. Pain in the butt. All right. It still doesn't see it, right? Okay. Still not showing it. In bottom. In installation status. In bottom of pane. And also when clicking on modal to re-roll. Thumbnail. Nothing opening. Actually, I think I worded that incorrectly. I should have said it when trying to open the modal, it's not opening. It's not what I said. Okay, now let's handle the thumbnail and complete the modal. And okay, maybe that will fix it though. I don't know. Let's try. Okay, apply. How big is this page? Almost 2,000 lines of code. Jeez. Pain in the butt. Let's upload you one more time. Okay. FFmpeg not found. When I click on reroll thumbnails, opening. Okay. Okay, look at this path that it's looking for. It's looking for FFmpeg / FFmpeg, okay? And there is no path called that. So this needs to be modified, right? So let's find / FFmpeg. Here it is right here. It's right here. I think if I just delete that, save that, try that. Hang on, let's run this update here. Let's just see what this says now. Installed. Boom. Okay, now the modal is not opening. I fixed the dir. It's working. It's working now. Please analyze and implement any changes we need to utilize FFmpeg functionality now that we are sourcing the right dir. All right, so that's great. And we want to fix the modal for the reroll. Then we want to test a new upload, make sure it gets inserted, and then we should be fine. Let's find out. Okay, here's some debugging at the top. And then let's go over to pane. Okay, these are implementing changes to pane. Okay, and then this is creating a new hot file for handling thumbnail regeneration. I mean, I'm just gonna try, but re-roll thumbnail. Okay, hang on. It's being redundant. Re-roll thumbnail. I already have that file. Re-roll thumbnail thumbnail you see. It does it need update? Bop 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 bop. Reroll thumbnail. I don't know what this is. Okay, here, let's apply these changes. All right, switching over. Upload. Boom. Whoa. Manage movie videos. Manage MP4s. Okay, disable. Enable. Okay, switching over. I'm still clicking reroll thumbnail button and no modal is opening up. Is this because there's currently no thumbnail file for my video? If that's the case, then it should still open the modal and let me roll one. Okay? Alright, let's see what's up. It does find an issue. That's great. By the way, what is this even? Delete. Okay. And then let's go to pane. This file is getting massive. I'm going to have to break up all the JavaScript and the CSS soon. And if I was going to do that on a file, this would be a great file to do it on because this is the admin dashboard and it's becoming massive. Let's see. Oh, back.
Without the ones like you working tirelessly to keep things running,
whoa, whoa, whoa. This is...
no matter your industry.
Oh my gosh, guys. I uploaded all my PHP files here like an idiot in the wrong directory. This is all getting deleted. Reroll thumbnail, that's gone. Reset, submit profit template, test, toggle. All this is PHP. Okay, that gets deleted. Yes. Up one level. There we go. Boom. Okay. Back at the beginning. I hope I don't screw anything up. Alright, and let's see what this does now. Should open up a thumbnail. Should let me reroll. Oh, is it this that it's trying to... Oh, here it is. Okay, hang on. Reroll. Error updating. Failed to generate thumbnail. No such file or directory. There it is. Okay, hang on. It still has this. Let me grab this code. Oh, it disappears so quick. I can't. Okay, here we go. Okay, here is issue when re-rolling. By the way, there's a redundant area in bottom, very bottom for thumbnail re-rolling that doesn't work. Please remove that. Keep the one under the manage section. Okay, and then when re-rolling in the manage section, it comes with this error, okay? The dir is just /ffmpeg without the extra /ffmpeg at the tail. You can see I updated that elsewhere. And then the dir for the actual thumbnails to be stored is in uploads thumbnails. Okay. See what it has to say about that. I fixed it, blah blah blah. Redundant. Okay. Removing that. Hopefully it finds it. Okay. Yes. Reroll thumbnail. Apply. Accept. Alright, we're saving all. And then we're gonna roll out these changes.
For the ones ensuring the job always gets done, and the ones wearing many hats, Granger offers
Okay.
professional-grade industrial
There we go.
supplies
Manage
and
MP4.
product availability.
Reroll.
Call, click
Error
Granger.com,
update. Fair.
or
Failed the
stop
jump.
by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
How's that possible? I thought we just changed the dir. FFmpeg is a directory. Why is it trying to generate it in the directory of mpeg? Yeah, but yeah. Oh, okay. Here we go. And the FFmpeg executable. Oh, I need to find the FFmpeg executable. Okay. Let's find it. I bet you it's an FF build. No. Where's FFmpeg? I don't even remember installing a... Oh my gosh, where is it? Where in the FFmpeg dir is the executable? FFmpeg bin. Oh, it's in the bin. Okay. What? I don't see a bin. Crap. What am I doing wrong? I mean, that's a text file. Assuming you place mpeg at the root of your hard drive, just as appropriate for other coaches, but note the bin directly where the executed file. Maybe Stack Overflow. Oh my gosh. Huh. How is it possible that I can't find the executable? What we can do is we can look at the here. Let's look for bin. Okay, here it is.
For the ones ensuring the job
How about just FFmpeg? Let's just look for...
Granger offers
Here it is.
professional-grade industrial supplies and real-time
What is
product
this?
availability. Call, click Granger.com, or just stop by. Granger, for the ones.
It's a C file. Okay, this might be it. FFmpeg, FFM is... It's in tools. Okay, let's look at tools. I wonder if I can just show... Oh, we can look at pictures. Okay. But oh my gosh, is it because I didn't download the on my server for Oh, I download. Oh my gosh, guys! Apparently, I wasted all my time last night and installed the wrong FFmpeg incorrectly. Oh my gosh, this is so much easier. I can't believe I installed all that stuff. So, first determine your server's architecture, right? Where do I type in? I don't even know, guys, sorry. It's a bash script, I get it, but I don't understand. Okay, just go into cPanel and open up SSH, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go in and just automatically just delete everything in here. Screw it. Apparently we don't need it. I spent over an hour of my life uploading this last night perfectly for nothing. And it's all on YouTube too. Idiot. Alright. Let's go. Apex Store, Advanced, cPanel. Oh, was SSH right there? No, I didn't see it there. Okay. SSH access. Manage SSH keys. I don't... How do I SSH into my system? Now I have to find that out. It's just asking me to confirm my structure, right? I'm just going to skip this step, actually. We're not going to confirm the server architecture and SSH in my system. Okay, saying to download this one. And then, We'll delete all this. All right, here we go.
Etsy knows these aren't the sounds of holiday gifting.
Oh.
Well, not the ones you're hoping for.
Ah, okay. Thank you?
You want squeals of delight.
Yes!
And spontaneously written songs of joy.
I am so happy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
To get those, make everyone on your list feel heard with gifts like personalized jewelry, custom artwork, vintage pieces, and home decor. For original gifts that say, I get you, Etsy has it.
Why can't I access the folder I want? What is this? All right, whatever. New folder. Just put it there. All right. What's this? Here it is, FFmpeg. So easy. I mean, my gosh. All right, upload, select. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did this wrong. I did this wrong. Okay, bam, I got the .exe in there now, just like you had before. FFmpeg. FFmpeg / FFmpeg. All right. Okay, apply. Reroll thumbnail. Okay, anything else need to be updated? Anything else need to be updated? Let's just check. I bet you there is. I don't know. Yes, and upload. We're using a similar path that needs to be updated. Whoa. Nope. So this is upload video. Okay, yeah. Except this ensures also make sure you have the correct permissions for the thumbnails directly. Okay, so we're gonna save this. Up one level. Upload. Okay, that's uploaded. Alright, let's try that. Error updating. Failed to generate. Permission denied. Okay, it's whatever it was talking about permission being denied is right. Apparently I needed to do that step. Oh, I need to set the permission to 755. So, we'll just go back, and it is currently 604. Change permissions. World execute 755. Bam. Done. Manage MP4. Reroll. Let's see. Whoa. How come? Oh. Whoa, did it just make a thumbnail? I love it, you guys. Look at this. It just re-rolled the thumbnail. This is sick. I'm supposed to meet with my client today, too, so... This is some weird behavior. Thumbnail updated successfully. Okay, let's verify the database. What's happening here? WebM. Oh, wrong. Okay, hang on. We need to just get back in here. Let me in the database, yo! Wrong. MP4. What's happening? Thumbnail uploads. Thumbnail uploaded here. Okay. And then we should not be able to re-roll the thumbnail until opening the modal. The modal should open when clicking on the thumbnail. Wait, hang on. I'm not sure if I like that. Hang on. Okay, yeah. I got it. Okay, so when clicking re-roll, then it should open modal. It should not re-roll until after modal is opened and I have clicked on another button that says re-roll in the modal. Okay? When re-rolling, it should not submit it to the thumbnail column until I click confirm new thumbnail button. Make sure all my buttons have the same CSS. Okay, it's always black with white font, and then if hover is opposite. Okay, we'll start with those updates for now, and then I'm gonna refill on some coffee, and we're gonna get this into high gear. Let's go. All right, guys, testing. Yep, I'm back. So I'm definitely in motion right now. I took about a 40-minute break just now, probably. Do a couple things around the house. You know, I do still live with my parents. I'm 36 years old. And say what you want, but I love my parents, and I give them hugs every day. So let's see what happens here. I just applied. Well, I need to apply some updates here. I don't even remember what I was updating. So let's do this. And it all looks just fine. Okay, it even put some emoticons in there. I love it. Did some JavaScript modification here. We do have a new function. Oh, it's the same function. Just modified it according to my requirements. And then add a new file for saving thumbnails. Okay. Save thumbnail. Look how much complexity, just adding the ability for him to automatically re-roll, generate thumbnails, stuff like that. Like, just look how much complexity that added, you know? Also, I didn't use FTP last night. I tried updating FFmpeg the wrong way. Wasted about an hour of my life. I was up so late updating it. And then I fixed it immediately today when I logged in with a fresh mindset. So, all on YouTube, by the way. Hilarious. I guess. All right, just in case it doesn't load the new file I created. I am about to eat dinner here with my parents here in a minute, so I'm just doing a quick update, a little bit of testing. We're going to pick up right where we left off after I pause this video again. So, all right, so manage MP4s, no thumbnail, reroll, should bring up the modal. Current thumbnail, there is not one. Here now it says it's generating. Does take a while. Let's put a progress bar. Okay. Now, is this going to be different here? I don't see a difference. There's a couple issues. First of all, okay. What was this new save thumbnail? We're back in cursor. Thumbnail. Okay. Okay, so a couple issues. When it generates new thumbnail, needs to be nice progress bar on top with as many nerdy details and emoticons as possible, just like when uploading video. Also, when it has finished generating. When it has finished generating, it does not show the preview properly. Also, it is not showing the current thumbnail available in Paint properly, even though there is a path in the DB and there is a file in the path for the thumbnail. Okay, so we're just gonna update our AI, let it know what's going on. All right, let's update Paint here. Apply, let's fix the thumbnail display. Let me see if it even has an update for me. Where's it at? There it is. What's happening? Okay, it looks like it's accessing the database here with some PHP. Actually, I'm not sure if that's database access, is it? Looks like it's maybe pathing. And then we're going to, or maybe it was, I'm not sure what it was actually doing there. I need to take a closer look maybe, but we're just going to test these updates here. Paint, add additional styles to make sure proper thumbnail display, which it looked fine before. Not sure if I really want to authorize these changes, but we're going to go ahead and do that anyways. And just because of habit, really, I have a lot of success with the AI in my prompts, so I just tend to second guess myself a little more than I do the AI. Okay. Nope. 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 See that? Okay, that was bad. Okay, those changes bad. Now there no button to reroll. Can't open modal anymore. Also, it not displaying the thumbnail appropriately. I'm gonna give it a little. Here's the content of the. Here's the content of the row in videos MP4 for reference. Maybe it's making a mistake there. And we'll just switch over. Here's the what is happening with you, Claude? Let's replace some of the stuff we changed earlier. Except add the modal. Update. Add these styles. This file is getting so large, I think Claude is having a hard time. But it's doing okay for now. Alright, we'll save this. Probably would be wise to start switching over and breaking up the PHP, the JavaScript, and the CSS. I think it would be worth my time at this point to do that for this file particularly. Oh my gosh. What the heck? No, the little button is gone. I hate you. What the hell did you update, Claude? God, my fault. Pain, 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 pain. Sir What the hell? It's gone. Ah. Nope. All right, well, now that we've properly screwed ourselves on some progress we made earlier, we have to go through this file now and find out what we did. So what I want to do is actually just revert these changes. Hang on. We're going to go back. All right, let's see what that did. This is why you make backups. I think I have discovered something by doing this, by the way. Oh yeah, I have. Okay. We're going back pretty much to where we were before. Okay, so all right, we're going to put a pin in this right here. I think the issue may either be with the static files I have or something else. So let's go back here. All right, guys, I really don't feel like doing this right now, but we're going to do it anyways because we're powering through this, right? So now here's what we're going to do. We're going to break up this page. First of all, to make it more manageable, it's getting too large. So please, excuse me, just ate dinner. Please extract all the CSS from this file. Make sure there's no redundant or overwriting or not used CSS. And we are going to put it in its own pane style.css. Okay. Oops. Bam. And then just gonna, then the pane should play, and then we need to update the link here. I wonder if this will just remove it all. No, reject that. And then how about we apply this change? There we go. All right. Okay. Same for the JavaScript. All right. Pane dot JS. Okay. I'm sure this will pay off. So make it twice as easy to debug, I think. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna just save that. Then pane, replace all the JavaScript with this. So we'll just go back to pane, apply. Where's all the JavaScript being removed? Okay, hang on. There is still JavaScript in pain though. What's happening? All right, and then we're just gonna pain JavaScript. Want to make sure. Check the Java mood. Could you show me what JavaScript is still remaining? So much. Okay, we're just gonna reload cursor real quick. There is still JavaScript remaining in pain.php. Can you help me extract to pain.js.js properly? There are some static PHP files we are referencing here, so we need to make sure they can access the job properly. Okay, and then we just have the reroll thumbnail, save thumbnail, upload video. Oh, and I forgot to reference the pain.js. Whoops. Fine. Then we can go back to pain and apply this change. But there is still job in pain. Plain, please analyze. I don't want to remove it myself. I want to make sure it's in there. No, hang on. We're gonna stop this cancel generation. Okay, here's the section that needs to be removed. Video fan. It's not called that. Stop. It's not called pain.js. It's called pain.js.js. Look the files I'm referencing. Analyze, please. All right, guys. Pain.js. You're right. And in pain.php, and we're removing that. I wonder if I updated this. Oh my god, dude. Hang on. That's bad. Okay, we just removed that file. Good. There is no JavaScript called that anyways. Okay, hang on. Let's just verify. Okay, I have moved JavaScript. Can you verify all the JavaScript is in the pain.js.js? Also, there's still JavaScript at the bottom of pain.php. I do get frustrated with AI. I just want it to do what I want. I want it to do it properly. All of this just to fix this little button on this website, by the way, so that I can open up the modal to then in pain.php, apply this change. Make sure all the new events. Okay, hang on. What is all this JavaScript in pain though? What is all this Java in pain though? And what is all this JavaScript? And this JavaScript? Apply, accept. Okay, yes. Accept. I'm just going to do a bit piece by piece. And can we move this JavaScript? And can we transport this JavaScript? Does it need to be? Or can it? Yes, we should and can, okay? Apply. Accept. And then remove both script blocks. Okay, cut. And then what about this? And what about this? And what about this? Bam. Making progress, cleaning up some code. Bump, 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 bump. First, move the toggle video button initialization. All right. Let's do this. Apply, accept. Okay, apply here, accept. Then in pain, we will apply these changes. Apply. Beautiful. Then update get videos.php. Apply. Whoops. Okay, help implement changes to accommodate. I don't think we actually need to update much here. I'm just referencing these files so I can get a good sense of what's being referenced. Get videos.php, small update. The rest of the PHP files are fine. Perfect. So now what do we have? Okay, we have removed so much code. I wonder what the functionality is like at this point. I thought I saw some CSS here too earlier that could be removed, but I don't see it. Oh, here's some CSS. Okay, I found some CSS. Found some CSS. How can we implement this properly without having redundancy in our CSS file? Okay. This is going to mean we have to refresh our cookies every time that we implement updates for this page now. But it's going to be easier to debug. So even though there is that time cost of clearing cache and cookies, then having to relog back in Bluehost every time I update. So it looks like all this is gone. Okay, save all. Let's just implement this massive update and see What is happening here? All right. Oh, hang on. That was a mistake. Did I upload my CSS there? No, I didn't. That's great. All right. CSS, upload. Okay. Up one level. New folder, JavaScript. Upload. I wonder if that's going to even remotely work. Oh, user interface is all screwed up. How wonderful. Oh, maybe we do need to refresh this here. Login. Bump, 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 bump. Configuration pane. Manage. Upload. Manage. None of it's working. I love it. Well, that's what you get. That's just debug code. This is just happening probably because of CSS conflicts. Style.css. Do we have CSS conflicts happening here? If so, then can we put all CSS in panel style.css and not remove it from style, but just not reference style.css anymore? CSS, okay. Let's see. Okay. Apply. I wonder where it's referencing it. I do not see it. Apply. Should just be one little line here where it's referencing the styles somewhere. Oh, it's because it didn't have it in there already. And then this is lowercase, so maybe that's what's happening there. Oh, and this is misspelled. Interesting how AI misspells things sometimes. Okay. This is the JavaScript. CSS. Oh, hang on. I misspelled it, actually. It's pane style, not panel style, isn't it? Whoa, hang on. Whoa, I'm getting so confused all of a sudden. Oh, what did I just do here? All right. The name of the file is panestyle.js. Panejs.js. Okay, that was a mistake. So now we need to just upload pane again. Up one level, pane. Actually, let's upload everything. Thought I changed something else earlier. Okay. Okay, is it still referencing the old CSS now? Let's see. Okay, whoa, some functionality, hello. Okay, so this is all wrong. Images, banner, This is the biggest thing that's wrong right now is the debug and then the image styling. That's it. So let's narrow it down. Okay, what about... Okay, what about the banner styling? Also, remove the debug at top. Also, when clicking on thumbnail to reroll, it not opening modal. Also, I don't see black button to reroll. Can you see what happened here? Okay. Probably would want to reference the static files on that. Let's try and break it down. Let's add the banner styling to pane style. Apply. Accept. Remove the debug section from pane. Okay, got that. Thank you, AI. And for the thumbnail modal issue, let's check the JavaScript. Add this to pane.js. Apply. Accept. And then add the modal HTML to PHP if it's not already there. So we will. I did see a display none value there. I don't know if that is what was throwing it off before. So we are updating our PHP files. All right, we're gonna update our CSS. Pane style, pain in the butt style. What is it? JavaScript. Let's update that. JavaScript. All right, we're gonna delete this. Load back in here. I don't know why I exited out of Notion. That was stupid. Just gonna have to relaunch. Okay. Now we're testing and debugging. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa. Layout looks manageable. Reroll thumbnails there. Generate new thumbnail. What is happening, you guys? I don't see a progress bar in the top. Is it even generating? Whoa. Hang on. Reroll thumbnail. Okay. Status disable. Manage MP4 videos. Manage move videos. Okay. Okay. Okay, a couple issues here. Luckily, a lot of our functionality did not get thrown out the window, okay? We did some of the transition properly. And this automatically fixed our problem. And that was to begin with. So that was the right decision, was to clean up the code for a little bit. That really paid off. How long are we into this video? An hour and 14 minutes? Man, I've gotten a lot done in an hour and 14 minutes. I mean, come on, let's go. Yes, I made some mistakes. I made some extra time for myself, especially last night I did. But we can learn, move on, improve, and shave off time in the future, especially with an FTP file manager. Maybe I should set up SSH and FTP for the future. Might be worth my time. Oop. Let's drop some cable ties here. All right. So, what don't I like about this? Now, we need a progress bar with nerdy stats in top right during reroll. Also, when clicking on the thumbnail display in pane, it should just bring up modal to see the thumbnail nicely centered in screen with nice inset box shadow and everything to accordingly make look nice, and they can close out the display that was enlarged. But when clicking on reroll, of course, Then the modal is there for the reroll ability and has the progress bar and the confirmation afterwards to insert into DB for new used value. And then I wonder what this looks like on the Media Hub Center. Like, if I go over to Media Hub right now, do I see the thumbnail? I wonder. Let's first update thumbnail click handler and pane all right, let's go. Accept whatever. Add new styles to this, okay? Apply. What is this? Accept. Perfectly fine. Update the pane JavaScript again. Okay. I see. Man, I love that we're using different files now. It's going to make this development process a lot easier in the future. Already paying off. So we're just going to bam, upload all our PHP. Okay, I can't wait till I have my own home server too, and I'm just doing this to my home server. Man, that's going to be an upgrade when I'm hosting this package myself. Got a little whiles to go before I'm in that situation though, I think. Okay, then we do have to clear our cache and cookies again. So we get good at that after a while. Okay. Configuration pane. Looking pretty clean. Manage MP4s. Should just open. Okay, it's not centered, but it's fine. Thumbnail. It's not centered. Reroll. Generate new thumbnail. Okay. Let's fix this. Okay. Okay, great. Now when viewing the thumbnail, nail enlarged, it is not centered. Margin left, right need to be auto. All right, and then let's test this. Oh, I keep clicking on two buttons at once. What does this do? Generate new thumbnail. Okay, let's see what happens. I click on generate new thumbnail. It does not have progress bar, so maybe we should just remove that functionality. Let's see if it lets me confirm the new thumbnail. Wait. I think I didn't click on it. Let's try clicking on it again. Okay, something got screwed up with the JavaScript there. Also, something got screwed up, I think, with the JavaScript. When clicking generate new thumbnail, it just sits there, does nothing. Oh, I need to reference the files properly. Hang on, no. Generate, reroll thumbnail, save thumbnail, pane.js, pane style, and pane need to all be referenced. Okay. Okay, we're gonna update the CSS here. Come on. Except, what? The thumbnail generation looks like reroll thumbnail functions missing. Apply. I'm not sure what these changes are, but I'm going to remove them. Anyways. Okay, reroll thumbnail. Okay, there's only one function called that. Go back to this is an old page. Apex, JavaScript, bam, 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 executing. Let's go. Bum, bum, paint style. Pain in the butt style. All right, that's not going to fix anything. I do need to clear this. And if you're not familiar, your browser does store CSS and JavaScript. so that it loads faster, a snappier response. And that means when you update it, you have to clear it out. Otherwise, your browser is just going to save it, save it, save it. Okay, hang on. That's wrong. And then what's happening here? Oh my gosh, progress bar. I love it. Yes. What's happening? Cannot set properties of null, setting source. Oh my gosh, that was amazing though. Look at this. Oh, it's so good. Okay. So we're going back to pain in the butt. Pain.js style. Toggle video roll. Save thumbnail. Okay, okay. Looks amazing, but at end does have this issue error. Not sure what it's doing. Also, this, of course, is seeing me from being able to confirm the new thumbnail now and insert, and also see the generated one in the modal, right? So we're just gonna give them the error code. The error is occurring because we're trying to update the thumbnail preview, but the element with the data doesn't exist in the modal. Let's fix this, please. Let's fix the JavaScript as well. Hopefully this is a good change. It doesn't look like it changed that much. That's hopeful. It should not be in this massive update. Should just be a couple lines of code, up one level. We're gonna update pain here. Oh, sorry guys, I need to bring you with me on my journey. I'm sorry about that. And then, all right, so we do have to clear this out one more time. And so, all right. Configuration, manage MP4. Okay, what's this look like? Okay, I forgot to prompt it there. What's this do? Generate new thumbnail. What's happening? Okay. I need to make this wider. Why can't I anyways? It's so stupid. How do I do this? Oh. Well, we could always just generate a new thumbnail. That was quick. Let's see if this value changed in the bandit. 115-80852. 115-80852. Okay. Okay, it is not. Okay, reroll. Pain. JavaScript. Okay. After generating new one, it seems to have fixed previous error, but is not inserting new thumbnail reference value into table. Also, it's not displaying properly in the modal after generating. Says I can load it, but doesn't work. It's like broken. Is it displaying properly with data type associations? I thought it was a JPEG. Okay, data needs to be able to handle JPEG, and also I think this file is JPEG. And then let's go back here, and we're going to just verify the thumbnails here. Look, there's so many. Look, there's so many, but it's not updating the new association and the in the videos MP4 table thumbnails column, right? Maybe that's why it's not displaying. Look how many JPEG we have generated so far, though. Lol. Okay, so it's just still referencing the same original one over and over and again. If we get it off of that, maybe it will fix it. All right, reroll thumbnail. What's happening here? Yeah. Okay. I don't think it needs to be able to handle the JPEG. I'm not sure how that works. I'm not sure what this functionality is in JavaScript. What are they trying to do here? Source split relative path, changing the pathing, display style, reloading, error message. Okay. And we do need to make it so that it removes thumbnails, I think, at a later time. Actually, let's add that to our Notion here. Thumbnails needs to need to remove old thumbnails automatically. All right. So, I suppose we did implement these changes. Excuse me. JavaScript. Going back to our JavaScript directory. Gonna just get in this pane here. Actually, we did update a couple PHP files. And we do have to reset that. Bam. Manage. Okay. Looks awful. Need to fix it. Let's prompt it right now. Okay. This is going to be pane style. And pane. Okay. Modal for viewing enlarged. Thumbnail. Now is good position top to bot, but left to right is awful. It's like all the way to the right. It needs to be centered. All right, we will fix that. So let's check the reroll. This should show the current thumbnail. But what's happening here? Frame extraction. Uh-oh. Oh, hang on. It just went to 100. Hang on. And now it's loading the new one, okay? Can we do a new one? Okay, hang on. This is upsetting. Okay, but now the progress bar looks awful when generating. It just stays 0, then instantly pops to 100, unlike before it was granular. Please fix. All right, we're going to fix that. This is loading the new one. What happens when we generate a thumbnail? Okay, and the thumbnail generation needs to be random. Okay? Because it looks like it's just doing the same one over and over again. Apply. Bum 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 ba 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 ba. What did we update before? We updated our other stuff too, right? We updated style. We updated style. Oh, hang on, that's the wrong one. That was the regular style. Now we just need to upload one more time our PHP, just in case we made an update there. And then we will proceed. Bam. All right. This page is going to get a lot of effort tonight. I can tell we're going to be on the configuration pane for some time. Manage. Okay, that did not fix it. That did not fix it at all. Div class modal content preview content. Okay. Modal content. And then preview. What is this? I don't want this. That's awful. No. Just go away. Just, yes, go away. Okay. This. Whoa, stop it. Just stop using AI for a second and just let me delete something. What is going on? Yes, thank you. I have to use the AI just to delete a row? Man. Okay. And then, okay, here's the preview modal. What is this? Margin 0? Okay. Not going to mess with that. Fit content position relative. Top 50%. I like that actually. Width, fit content, margin. This should be just margin. Margin left. Auto. Margin right. Auto. Let's just change that. My God, is this trying to do anything at all? No, it's not. Just stop. All right. I'm going to go back here. Up one level. Up one level. So this is all CSS we changed, right? Nothing else. Just pane style. All right, let's get rid of that. Bam. Go into the pane. Manage. Looks awful. Looks better, though. Looks awful. I think I see what's happening. I think I need to adjust the image properties here with CSS. Let's try that. I wonder if that's affecting other modals on this page. I don't know. The other ones don't seem to have a problem, just this one. So hopefully I'm not changing code I don't want to change. Nope, still happening. Now this is all off. Jeez, God. Let's just fix this first. What is this? This is the X mark? Okay, the span class. close modal preview content. Modal content. Preview content. Modal, close modal. Image. It's the image. Preview image. Display block. Box shadow. Inlet. Max height. Margin left auto. Class. Preview image. Here it is right here. Margin left auto. Margin right auto. Image. Inherited from body. How is it getting inherited from body? Okay, here it is. Margin. Yo, we're taking that out. We don't need it. It might be that. So let's change this. So it seemed like there was some CSS on body. Maybe that's what was happening. Manage MP4. Can I see it now? No, we have to delete this. Delete. All right. Can we fix? Manage. Please be in the middle. Nope. All right. That was not the issue. Let's just ask Claude then. Let's see. Can you tell why the image for the modal for the preview image is not centered left to right and is too far to the right? What is happening here? Looking at the CSS, I can see the issue in the preview mode. There's a conflict positioning where here's what's happening. Let's try this. Okay, I will accept all these changes. Except it's not applying changes anymore for some reason. But that's good enough. Now, let's go back here, update the style. Man, okay, we're gonna delete this. Delete. All right, here we go. Going in. I'm going in. All right, still doing it. Nope, still doing it. Nope, it's still doing it. Nope, it's still doing it. Ugh, CSS drives me crazy. Oh, it looked at my JavaScript. Thank you for looking at my JavaScript. I could have wasted all my time just floating around in this CSS. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Let's try that. All right. Finally. Love it. Absolutely love it. Now I can see that the X mark is fixed now. Okay, that fixed a lot there. Now when we want to re-roll, the modal here is screwed up. So now modal content. Now Okay. Oh, okay. Now the modal content for re-rolling is off center since I was trying to troubleshoot earlier. Can you fix this? All right. There we go. Looks good. Looks bad. And we did just update the style. Okay, that didn't fix. Okay. I can try deleting it one more time just in case I made a mistake, but I don't think I did there. All right. Oh, there it is. Okay, I did make a mistake when I rolled out that update. Okay. All right, we're going to have to debug this step by step, okay? Here's the current thumbnail. Let's just see if it has a thumbnail in the Media Hub. Okay, and it freaking does, dude. Yes! Woo! That's cool! That's so cool, man. All right, now we just got to go back to the configuration pane. We are going to just verify that we can. Okay, this behavior right here, what it should do is it should load the current one that's there, right? Okay. Now, we're going to actually refresh cursor here because I am going to implement new changes. Okay. Actually, here. We're going to just take a quick benchmark of what we're doing. Look, I'm going to I'm just backing up my work. All right. This is going in the backup. This is 12/7/2024. All right, I can't use 2024. Bam. All right, we're moving that to the Zazzer. Okay, and then while I'm here, I'm gonna back up all my bookkeeping that I've done so far for my business. Just a few things here, guys. Oh, what happened there? Back up. 12/7/2024. And then this goes to Zazzer as well. And then I will just make a I'm going to make a quick backup of my other system I'm building right now. One of them. Oof. I have a feeling that's going to take a while. Oh, there it goes. Okay. EV PC backup. 12. That's fine. We'll put that in the Zazzer too. I didn't even see the... Looks like we have some backup there. All right, we're just gonna make a PHP class. right. Very good, very good. Old MyFi Agree website backups. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a quick break here. Maybe 5-10 minutes in my time. 2 seconds for you. So I'll see you later. And we're back. I mean, that's all I really remember. I have no idea what I was even working on. I guess I made some backups here. All right, so... all right. Now, this looks good. Okay. Now, when we click on reroll thumbnail, it does need to show the current thumbnail on the bottom left. All right, hang on. Go to pane, toggle video. Oops. Upload video, save thumbnail, reroll thumbnail, the JavaScript, the CSS. Okay. Now, when I open the modal to reroll thumbnail, the preview in bottom needs to only appear after I have generated a thumbnail for me to review. Needs to be a little bigger and also centered. Some nice inset box shadow and padding. Let me bring you guys over here. Oops, hang on, what's happening? All right, padding. For selection, make sure it's centered. Also, there always needs to be another little preview in this modal below with the currently selected thumbnail in the table. And then after generating a little button next to the generated thumbnail in the other box should have then a button where I can click replace to insert the new thumbnail and that was generated and use it instead. So then both previews should show that one. Okay, let's just see what it does with that. Absolutely nothing. Bum 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 bum. And so that's when you just save your progress and bring it back. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back. What happened to our YouTube music? Okay. Bomb, 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 bomb. Pain. Wants to update the JavaScript here? Yes, it's going to have to. Okay. All right. So, we're going back over. Putting this online. Bam. Let's test it. All right. At first, I want to know if it screwed up any of my other stuff. Okay. Then we just go in to the pane. All right. Can I still see this? Yes, I can. Thanks. It's not showing the current one. The progress bar is working now. Thank the Lord. It experienced an error. Hang on. Generate. All right, let's give it the error code. The error occurs because the modal close handlers are trying to access elements that don't exist yet when the page loads. Did I delete my stuff? Did I delete my cookies and cache? I don't remember. And update the modal HTML. Let's try that. It seems like a pretty significant update. I guess we didn't update the CSS, but we'll rehash it anyway. All right. Then we're gonna remove it this time.
Find your favorite movies on YouTube. Get AMC Plus, Paramount Plus, Max, and more on YouTube.
Reroll. Now the modal's not appearing at all. What about this modal? This modal's still working. Now when clicking reroll, the modal's not loading at all. That's a downgrade. So this is panel or pane.js that wants to update. Okay. Bam. Going back. Gonna have to clear it again. All right. AI systems development. All right. Okay. Current thumbnail now working. Generate new thumbnail. What's happening, guys? Okay. Amazing. Now, when we generate the thumbnail, it needs to pick a random time in the video to look different. So right now is just grabbing the same time every time. Just pick a random reroll thumbnail. Reroll thumbnail. I wonder what the algorithm they're using for doing random time allotment is. So they're skipping the first and last 5%, multiply and divide by 100 to get 2 decimal precision. Random time. Well, okay, how are they generating the random time though? Min time, 100 multiply, min time, random. Oh, they're using the random seed generation, so it uses a seed value. Okay. All right. We're going back to our root. Reroll. Reroll. Bam. Okay. Don't even have to clear cache and cookies now. Let's see what's happening. Could not determine the video duration. That's a new error. Hang on, what? Oh wait, hang on. Did I update the JavaScript as well? No, I didn't. Okay, hang on. Let me grab this error code. I mean, I don't see what's wrong with the first 5% of the file either, right? I mean, I don't know what the... I guess they're just waiting till you get into the content, right? But for my client, I wouldn't think that the beginning of his videos would be bad. But whatever. I mean, sometimes, yeah. It makes sense. I understand now why the AI did that. All right. Manage. Reroll. Blah, blah, blah. Could not determine video duration. This is a new issue. What is it saying here? ffprobe.exe. Oh, it's trying to use a file I don't have. Hang on. Where did I put this thing? Was it inside of his file here? ffmpeg. Here's the new one. Let's just unzip it again real quick and see if it has the probe. Oh, yeah. Actually, I just found the file that we had earlier. Here's the probe. That's nice. Okay. So, we just go here. Desktop. Probe. Bam. Should just automatically work now. Nope. ffprobe.exe. Hang on. Permissions needs to be changed. Let's try that. Maybe it wasn't the permissions, actually. I don't know. How is this possible that it's not? ffprobe.exe. No such file or directory. But I can see it. Right? I can verify I just installed the file though. Maybe it's not called .exe. Could that be the issue? Ah! It didn't have the .exe extension. So, reroll. Bam. Alright. Up. Bam. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. I love saying bam, man. I'm like the bam bam of Bam Bam. Emerald Lagasse. What is this? Surm. Apex Store. PHP. Reroll. Updating the path. Okay. Now. Reroll. No error code yet. Trying to achieve random generation. Yes, that is random. That is random, by the way. Okay, so let's just see. Has it updated it even though I didn't select the new one? No, it did not. Okay, now let's re-roll it. Generate new thumbnail. Analyzing. LFG, dude. Love it. Okay, and it crashed. Oh, no, it didn't. It just loaded it. Replace current thumbnail. Thumbnail saved successfully. Now exit out. Man, that's what I call functionality. Hello. Amazing. Okay, so now when we go to Media Hub, it's updated. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, And then there is an issue here with the layout. Also the icon is blue. I don't like that. Can we change that? Okay, so those are little things. Guys, this is progress. Okay, we divide up the file. We have everything going. You know, this is obviously manage videos, video management, upload. Okay, we can video management. No. I have an idea. We can do. Okay, I want to just change the way this looks. Manage videos, manage MP4. Video disabled. Where is it at Media Hub? No videos. Amazing. Manage, enable. The JavaScript is working. Okay, this is updating the database. I love this. Okay. Now, we can tidy up some things. But we have implemented some very positive changes. I'm just trying to get my brain around what I've done. We have all sorts of work to do. I mean, we have to stop SQL injection. We have to implement some more security. We have to test. We have to debug. We have to do more otherwise input validation in certain areas. This page also looks stupid with the leaderboards. But this functionality here needs to change. Okay, this button is blue still. What is going on? Man, I'm excited. I don't know what to do here. We need to change the footer. So let's do that here. The footer style.css from Sir M. The footer info for style didn't seem to come over. Also, we can remove the FFmpeg installation status, all that stuff below now. I'm done debugging that. All right, and then we're just going to pain, reference that, and then we'll be able to do an update. All right. That is gone. Now let's add the footer to the panel style. Apply. Oh, all right. That's a big yes for me. Control Shift yes. All right, save that. Save all. Okay, now on pane, the little remove buttons do need to be black and whatever, just like the rest of the buttons I have. All right. And the change role button. Pane style. Hello. And let's update the button styles. Update the button styles section. Okay, I have a feeling this isn't actually trying to change anything. Because the button style isn't changing. Input. What is this? That's modal content we don't want. Here's button input right here. Looks perfectly fine. Yeah, that's not getting updated. Same for the user button. The change role. Oh, and also the freaking every button. Update values. Every button. All right, pane. Bam. Accept. Pane style. Apply. Whoa, look how green that is. What is going on? I can't even see my brain, dude.
your favorite TV shows on YouTube. Get Max.
I wish it would have tried to conserve the,
on YouTube.
whatever. Let's just get out of here. I wish it would try to conserve the size of the buttons, because it's obviously going to be off now. But let's see how bad it is. Sorry, guys. Make sure I bring you with me. Love it. Love it. Okay. What was I even working on, you guys? Oh, the buttons. Yeah. Okay. The toggles users list button needs to be in the middle. Okay. All right, I see a couple issues here. And then, so pane style. All right. Okay, so for manage videos section, those buttons do need to be centered and spaced out, just like the upload buttons above. And then below where the videos are listed, if the description is very long, it may go out. So we need to have a nice adaptive UI here, not too adaptive, but that can just accommodate for the idea of larger description fields for the videos and things like that, right? So there does need to be some modification of the columns, some more spacing and all that for the video management system there below. Okay, so we're gonna just update that, and then now for functionality, I see the remove button is no longer working. Look at that. That's important. What happened there? Okay, so I'm gonna have to test all of pane again. And then I may not actually do that while I'm recording, because I'm not sure what kind of changes I'm going to need here. Update video controls layout. Okay. Update the PHP code that generates the videos list. And then your JavaScript. Okay, it's just making a new function. It's actually consolidating code here in cursor, so this is a nice little change. And then, okay, so in pane, okay, now when I click on remove profit report, it's not removing properly.
Live sports on YouTube TV. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
Okay. So I think it's not using Ajax here, actually. Want to implement that functionality. Oh, it's not updating after. Okay. That's what it was. I think it might have actually removed that functionality earlier. And update the PHP table pane. Okay. It's fine. Update JavaScript here. Okay. Back to pane. Try that new update. All right. There we go. Beautiful. It even had like a little disappearing, kind of just very nice. Just, I don't know if you guys can see it, but every time I remove it, it looks nice. You see that? It's not bad. All right. And then these are centered again. Okay. So there's no thumbnail right now. Is that correct? Whoa! What happened here, guys? No. No. Now the thumbnail in preview before and when clicking reroll it not pulling up modal. What did you change earlier, like 2 or 3 updates ago to do this? Oh no. Now the thumbnail manipulation is backtracked. Ag, I don't know what I changed. Hopefully it's just one line of code. It says to update the JavaScript here. All right. All right. No. No. There is a current thumbnail in the database, though. What is happening? And this screwed up. Oh. No. Okay, I'm like begging the AI right now just to revert to what happened before. Man, this is why you don't authorize every change from the AI, but I mean, it just, okay. It just, and I'm so fast. I'm so used to moving really fast. I don't always want to just verify the AI, okay? It's a little lazy, but in the long run, if I just verified a little more what it's doing in the code, then I would save myself some time here. Jeez, what's happening?
I'm so happy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
To get those, make everyone on your list feel heard with gifts like
Nope.
personalized jewelry, custom artwork, vintage pieces,
I don't even know what I changed here. Hang on.
say, I get you. Etsy has it.
Let's go back. Let's just try this. Let's try backtracking to here. I wonder what that effect is going to have. We will try. Just rehashing this. I want to just gain back that old thumbnail functionality. It was so beautiful. I don't want to recode it. All right. Look, we got it back. Let's just verify it works. Okay, amazing. That's hilarious. I like that new graph is going down. Okay, look, this didn't replace it now, though. Okay, we're going to save our changes here, and we're going to exit out of cursor. We're going to reload cursor. I might have to take a short break here in maybe 5 minutes. I don't know. Something like that. All right. So let's go back. Okay. Okay. Small functionality issue here. After re-rolling thumbnail and selecting new one, it is not updating in DB the new thumbnail reference properly, because when I let's go back to reference the re-roll thumbnail. Here we go. Save thumbnail and re-roll. When I select the new one, it not showing new one. Okay, so I don't want to go into the details. I don't actually know what's happening. All right, it's changing the JavaScript, so I'm going to keep track of this change here. And then if this doesn't have the behavior I want, we're going back. I should probably have made a copy of that before I even did that change, because it was such a good file. Okay. Okay. That looks like the new graph I made. I wonder what's happening. I think it might have just fixed it. Let's see. Finalizing. Different graph. Here we go. Replace. No, that's still the same one. What happens if I refresh the page? It has the new one. Okay. Okay. All right. We're going to... Okay. Okay, great. It's using the new one, but after I generate new thumbnail and then I close the modal, the preview thumbnail for pane homepage for that video isn't updated right away. Can we fix? Yeah, that's what's happening. It's updating in the database, and then it's just not reflecting the new change here. May need to update one of our... made a new function for it that's going to get triggered by the PHP file. Let's see. Apply. Oh, so we need to modify the JavaScript twice. So let's go back to the JavaScript. All right, we're gonna start making backups of this JavaScript so we don't run into problems like that again. The one we just recovered from, where we were using AI too fast. Okay, reroll thumbnail. Wait, hang on. Let's first verify. Does the old functionality work? Yes. It's fine. Now, let's re-roll the thumbnail.
Listen, paying $14.99 a month for a and
Okay, it's different. Replace it.
and $12.99 for a
Now, is this the old one?
money for a bunch of other
I can't tell.
really adds up. So why not get YouTube Premium for just $13.99? It's like having all those and the
I can't tell. I'm not paying close enough attention.
Your wallet will thank you. Wallets can talk.
I think this is the new one, but I don't know.
Try 1 month free.
Okay, this looks exactly the same. This must be like 2 seconds later in the video. Okay. It seems to be working. Okay, this one has a blank spot in it. This should be easy to tell. Yeah, there it is. It's updated now. Now, when... Oh, I see. It's... In the preview, it's not updated. Okay, amazing. Amazing. So, now we need to... I didn't expect this to happen. Okay, I didn't expect this. But now the thumbnail preview on Paint is updated after exiting out the new generation modal. But when clicking on the preview for the thumbnail to enlarge it, the enlarged modal is displaying an out-of-date version of the thumbnail somehow. Okay. All right. We're just regaining the old functionality we had with the JavaScript, because I swear it was working exactly like this before. I mean, it was perfect, I thought. Maybe I didn't debug it this much, actually. I might have just overlooked some of this. But that was just a small line of code to change. We can update this one more time here. All right. We're just gonna nuke our browser. Okay. Bam. All right. Configuration. Manage. Here's the thumbnail. All right. Reroll thumbnail. All right. Here's the new one. Easy to spot. Now it's using the new one. Okay. We have functionality. Woo! Let's switch over to cursor. What is this? This is, we're going to make a backup. We're going to make a backup of this as well. And we're going to make a backup of this as well. Bam. All right, let's save all of this. And then... All right. Beautiful. Now, what happens if... okay. Hang on, guys. This is... Okay. Okay, and... Obviously, next to status, there needs to be a little likewise button to modify video details, where it pulls up another modal, which we love and looks great, by the way, with sectionalized areas with modern UI that have nice inset box shadow with padding and some border radius and margin to make everything centered and justified and be nice and sectionalized. I repeat myself to AI all the time. Okay, and then I can update video basics besides, of course, the views and minutes watched. All right.
There's DIY, and there's doing it yourself. It's the difference between being creative and being a creator. Between a homemade recipe and a household name. Between a daydream and a dream job. It's your business, your hard
I wonder what kind of changes these are.
Create your website on Wix.
Kind of lost right now, guys. This is what happens when I dial in on just one little thing I got to get working.
You might say
You know? Just relentless. Hang on. What's happening here? Okay. Oh, I keep hitting up one level. Okay. It was like getting kind of weirded out to just keep sending me back to where I came from. Upload. CSS. All right. All right. That's not bad. So we'll just go back here. Bam. It's happening. I mean, I hope it all works. But what was I trying to do? Oh, yeah. All right. All right. It said there was like one line of code wrong on pain.js, so. Okay, hang on. What am I doing here? I was trying to upload a CSS file just now. Okay, glad we didn't do that. Still not doing anything. Oh, now the enable disable isn't working anymore. My God. Okay. Oh, let's just hope we don't screw up any of the thumbnail function. Oh, we did make those backups, so we're good. Okay. What? No, what? 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 What are you talking about? I specifically said we are just editing the title and description. And that's it. What? What? How could AI think I'm trying to edit a video? Why do I feel like it's further making more mistakes? I wonder what it's even thinking about doing here. But we're going to authorize it anyways, especially since we made backups. So here's the JavaScript. We're going back. Okay. So the edit button's still not working. The hell? Okay. Paint. the edit button. Still not pulling up modal to change title and description of video. This should be so easy. Are there functions you made when you misunderstood what I was saying that is ruining this? In addition, what else could be wrong here that you did wrong earlier? Please fix. Please, 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 please. I should have included the CSS in there. It's okay. The earlier complicated version might be interfering. Let's hit this up. Okay. Who knows? I feel like it did. I feel like it did add some functionality in there that, when it misinterpreted what I was saying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's just do all these changes. No. All right. Yeah, we're not saving that. All right. Let's pull up pane, view, chat, bam. Pane, and then the pane style. All right, let's try that. How long is this video? 2 hours, 30 minutes we've been working on this system. Okay. And that is how long I've been working on it. I haven't done any work without me being on video. And I'm trying to track all of my development sessions from now on. So we're going to get a lot of content on YouTube, that's for sure. I wonder if YouTube's ever going to cut me off and just say, stop. Stop uploading your nonsense. All right. It updated the JavaScript. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. Can clear it out. We're testing the edit button for editing the title and the description of a video configuration. Let's go back. Manage MP4, edit. Oh my gosh. Yay. Hooray. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hooray. We love stuff. Okay, save changes. Now, when I click save changes, it is not saving the changes. Okay. Okay. Now, when I click save changes after updating title and description, nothing happening. Are you sure you are updating the row? Also, it should in the modal appear with the values we already have for the title and description. I love how I'm not even paying attention at all to how I'm spelling any of this. I'm just like... All right. Not that many changes. Not that many changes at all. And then it does want a new create that handles the update video. Okay, here, help me implement changes then here. Right, how do I pull up the update video? .php. Just rehashing it. I don't know if that was a good update or not. Upload all of our PHP. And then we will update our CSS and our JavaScript. Here we go. CSS first. I don't even think I updated the CSS, but we're doing it anyways. And the JavaScript. All right. Okay. Going back to it. Here we go. All right, edit. There we go. Oh, it keeps closing the modal when I just barely click outside of it. I'm tired of that. Hello. Hooray. Save changes. Okay. Okay, now when I click save changes, it is not doing anything. What is going on? Let's look at the error log. I wonder. It's saying it's just the JavaScript. I mean, I think it's the SQL. I don't know. I want to look at what it's trying to do there. If this continues on. Okay, now it's not even opening it at all. Okay. That is so annoying. Okay, now it's not even opening the modal at all when clicking edit. Are you sure you are using convar accessing table correct? What is happening here? Try that. Nope. Okay, I bet you it may pop up now when I click edit, but I don't know if it's gonna actually insert it to the database. Manage. Edit, my god, it's so bad now. It ruined all the thumbnail functionality, everything. Ah. Hang on, I almost want to give it back to the backup here, but oh my gosh, dude. Let's just redo this. All right, let's save this here. All right, we're going back to the JavaScript, updating. All right, and then we'll go back up one level. We'll update all of our PHP, get everything on the same page, verify that we fixed the problem we just created ourselves, and then we will see if we can fix this super easy code to update the title and description. Why is this so hard? Is it possibly because I don't know what I'm doing? Is that possible? Alright. Alright. Hang on. Alright, what is happening here? Is there an error code that is coming up in the base? Or the error log? Doesn't seem to be related. When I click save changes, does that actually change that though? Edit. No, it does not. Alright. Alright. 2 problems, guys. Pane, update video, and the JavaScript. Okay. Okay. First of all, when clicking edit, if I click outside of that modal specifically, it should not close the modal. We may need to rename or make new CSS class. Okay, also, what else? When clicking save changes, it is not updating the table properly. This should be very simple fix. It is just one line or piece of code that is incorrect for that. Okay, so we are going to narrow it down. Looking at the code, I see 2 issues. For the modal closing, we need to modify the setup modal. Okay, accept. Apply. Apply changes. Yes. And then update video. Update video. Apply. Let's see how that works. Save all. Going back. Upload. All of them. Why not? And then our JavaScript does need to be updated. All right, we're gonna clear our cache and cookies. And we're gonna go back. We're going back. Does this remove work? No, it does not. We're gonna have to fix that again. It's fine. All right, it's not clicking out of the modal now, but it's not saving the changes. Okay. Pane, update video, and the JavaScript. Okay, I cannot click save changes and save changes. So you need to put the debug or error reporting as much as possible in pop-up in top rectangle for now. That lasts 7 seconds. Please, until I fix. It looks like it's working now. It is indeed. That's nice. I forget what we fixed there. But just adding the debugging fixed that? It's so weird. Okay. Okay. Alright, we'll just tidy up a couple more things here. Alright, perfect. Now, the description needs to wrap around because when it's so long, it making elements extend past width of management column. So some CSS needed. Also, the remove button not working, right? We need simple fix for that when I am removing profit reports. Oh, I should have referenced the CSS. Okay. It can probably look at it itself. Guys, I'm going to take a quick 5-10 minutes, maybe 15 if I'm crazy break. All right. Oh. Guys, we're back. That was a 4-minute break at the most. Hopefully I wasn't muted the whole time last time I was talking. I just realized I had my mute button on. That'd be awful. I would probably have to edit my video for once. I'll make sure to confirm that didn't happen after I wrap this up. I'm going to probably end this video soon. But we'll balance that. We want to just implement this new functionality. All right. It wants to update JavaScript. Let's do it. And it wants to modify my CSS. We're going to do that. And add some CSS. Well, do we really need to add the CSS here? I don't need to modify the CSS here. It's fine. Okay. We're going to roll this out to the correct pathing. I mean, what did I update here? I just updated the JavaScript and that's it, right? All right. All right, manage MP4s. Nice. Okay, what was I trying to do? Delete the profits, right? Nice, it's working again. Oh, hang on. We had it working beautifully before, remember? It's not actually removing it. Okay. Holy smokes. Okay, hang on. Okay. Okay, it's not. Okay, it's not actually removing it. Are we using Ajax to do it? It should remove it. Then the table showing profits should update. Let's roll this out. Come on. This is what we had before working. After this, we probably want to make a backup. We should probably update our copy. And then we need to validate all the input on this page. And then I can end the stream. Okay. Let's do that. That's a lot of work. But I think we can get it done pretty quick here if we just are smart about our time. The issue is with the JavaScript for our static file. I wasn't referencing the file before. That was my mistake that I made with the AI. Because I didn't realize we had a static file handling the profit removals that I had made earlier. Alright. So let's go back. Let's see if this... I don't think it works, but we'll... I don't know because I didn't change out the JavaScript, right? Hang on. There. It's working now. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Okay. So now let's just validate from top to bottom. Okay, hang on. First of all, All right. All right. Save. Okay, so all these copies I can delete. Okay, and then we can make new copies. Is the footer fixed? It is. Except the footer still says Ensys Virtus PC. It should not. We're going to modify that. There it is. Wrong. Okay. All right, now we're validating top to bottom. All right. In order to do that, let's just refresh what I'm working on. This is just to cancel out cursor just now is to mentally refresh myself as much as maybe the AI that keeps track of what I do. We're going to close this all down. Start off with a new chat. I'm going to have to refresh this. Whoa. I don't want that. Okay, I think I'm going to have to just change it again. Okay, there we go. It's good. Okay, so what are we doing here? We're validating this. So this is good. Page analytics is good. User role management. So you can just type in only 60 letters. That's fine. That's what needs to happen. Current admins, toggle users list. Okay, this needs to be in the middle. We're just going to actually update that. Okay, the toggle users list button does need to be in the middle. Okay. Now, role management's not working. So I wonder if that's actually going to fix it.
Try gummy vitamins from Nature Made, the #1 pharmacist recommended vitamin and supplement brand.
This should be so easy. Oh, do I have to, yes, I do. I wonder what's happening. There must be error in the error log. Just accessing my database structure real quick. Want to verify we're on the right track. Should be users table. Wait, are all my passwords? Okay, they're not. That's good. I was gonna say, are all my passwords visible? All right, clicking on it is okay. And do we have redundant files here?
Chimneys. In a fursuit, get sweat protection that lasts 72 hours. Gillette Clear Shield.
I'm just deleting the assign admin file from my everything now. It wants to update the JavaScript as well. Update role. Okay. Save all. Okay. Upload. New files. I really hope I didn't get copyright strikes. I mean, this playlist is supposed to be all copyright-free music, so if I get a strike, I'll be... I won't be surprised, but I'll be annoyed as all hell. I mean, I guess you have to do bad things to get a strike, but I don't even want to claim, right? Okay. Can we assign user roles yet? I wonder.
The YouTube Music app has ad-free workout playlists.
Should be so easy, right? It's just changing a string in the database. Not doing anything. Man, alright. Something's clearly wrong here. We are going to ask ChatGPT to verify. Yeah, I was missing the PHP. I think that's what it was. I wonder how much we screwed up the JavaScript just trying to fix that. So, let's see. It's doing nothing still. I mean, dang it, I closed out ChatGPT. This is such an easy thing to do. I mean, it's just one line of code wrong, right? That's all it is. So, let's open up ChatGPT again and get some more direction. I think this is what the problem is. Yep. I think it's just a matter of literally just removing this, and that's it. Let's see. And then that's all it is. It just wasn't accessing the Ajax request file or whatever, right? So we have to update our JavaScript here. All right. I'm going to switch gears over to League of Legends soon, actually. I've been doing this for, well, on record, 3 hours, 10 minutes, but I've taken so many breaks. This has been going on for over 4 hours, it must be. So, and it's 10 o'clock, so that's at a minimum since 6 p.m. Wild. All right, so here we go. I wonder. And it does nothing. Oh, wait, hang on. No, it didn't do nothing. It added me as an admin. Okay. Now, let's just do input validation. Okay, obviously. Okay, and obviously we need to limit the amount of characters user can enter in for the role or whatever to 60. Also prevent SQL injection, please. Yes, this is the admin dashboard, but we're still implementing SQL injection so that if he ever gets hacked and somebody logs into his admin dashboard, at least they can't reveal everybody's emails or whatever, right? Or, I mean, I guess you can see everybody's emails because of this users list, but I mean, at least they can't look at their passwords, I guess, that are encrypted and then break them. Okay. That's actually worth. People reuse passwords. This is part of security. This is important. So we're gonna update pane here. Pain in the butt. Accept. Update with better validation. Update role. Better validation. Nice. I clicked save as, I thought. Okay, I didn't. So then, wait, what did we update again? the JavaScript? No, just the pane and then the... Okay, so we just updated our PHP. Okay. Now. Okay, so now we just have to clear this just to make sure. Out of habit, I guess. Configuration pane. All right, now what happens if we make ourselves a user? Oh God. All right. Dude. Okay. 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 Okay, let's make an admin from demoting themselves. An admin should only be demoted by another admin or the main admin, my client. So, as part of an upgrade package, I can offer to make it so that only he can demote people. That sounds a little annoying to make him upgrade that, but look, I'll just explain to him any admin can demote any other admin. So he could get his web system locked out, you know, on his system. I could easily go in and change it, but an admin could lock him out, technically. I'll just make sure he's aware of that.
If you want gift reactions like these, shop items that will make everyone on your list feel heard. For original gifts that say, I get you, Etsy has it.
Okay. Well. I'm just trying to think. Okay. Does it work with the... Hang on, what if I Texas State forward... What if I try to demote myself using my email? Does it work? No, it does not. Okay. Now, what if I try to... What if I try to make somebody a user that doesn't exist? Right. Let's just... Okay, if I try to make a user that doesn't exist, an admin or a user, there needs to be rectangular either pop-up. As always, black background, white font, and also adjust my other rectangular pop-ups with the progress bars to have similar color scheme, but don't change anything else about it besides colors, because everything else is perfect. I will give it many explanation points. Okay. Alright. I just want some basic feedback, right? If he's doing something, you know, maybe he thinks he made somebody an admin and he didn't. Okay? And he needs to know that. Alright. So we're just updating the CSS. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. I think we're going to end this development session here shortly, guys. And we also updated the JavaScript, of course. Okay, very good. Now we're just gonna implement, deploy, test, go. All right. I don't see a pop-up. All right. Okay, how come? What is happening here? Is it because possibly I have residual data need to refresh here? I don't think that's the case, but yeah, just why is there no pop-up? Pane, JavaScript, style. Okay, there still no rectangular pop-up when entering a username that doesn't exist or email and clicking update role or whatever. Okay, so that's a little weird. Should easily do it. Let's test the other ones to see, like, upload MP4 video. Whoa. The upload MP4 is not coming up anymore. No, we're gonna have to change that. This is black though. That's beautiful. Love it. All right, replace current thumbnail, and it's replaced. That looks great. Love it. What's happening? You're right. Let's add a notification for non-existing users. I'll update the notification styles. Okay. Accept. Update the CSS. All right. It just updated the JavaScript and the CSS. I'm excited about playing League. I'm going to record that too, I'm sure. All right. And then the JavaScript. You know, you earn it, you know? You spend all day working. Then when you play, it's really fun. And I'll probably dominate in League. I'm so warmed up, dude. All right. Thank you. User not found. Perfect. All right. All right. Amazing. No. What happens if we try to make ourselves a user? Cannot demote yourself from admin. Amazing. Okay. Role updated successfully, and it's in there. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna make myself a user again. I use that account to test it from the perspective of a user. Okay, so what other type of validation could we put in there, right? I mean, if it doesn't exist, if it's stopping SQL injection or whatever, then or however you would type it in. I'm not sure. I think I might have triggered it. I actually don't know SQL injection, but I could figure it out. So, all right, that looks fine. We don't have to test the SQL injection. It's fine. It strips it, I'm sure. What else could you do? You could also type nothing and press change role. Okay, that triggers it. Between the selector, I can't think of anything else. There's nothing else to validate about this, is there not? I mean, right? Okay. So,
Etsy knows these aren't the sounds of
what if I just type in part of an email?
not the ones you're hoping for.
Huh? User not found. All right. I mean, I'm sure. Yeah, I just, you know, I'm trying to think of everything because I want to move on from this, not come back to it. Looks pretty good for me. I am going to take a short break here. I need a mental breather before we move into the price management, which should be really straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. This has been a blast for me. 7 gigabytes already on this one. Okay, input validation. This is actually fun. You know, I've already built in the functionality I require, and then I either have to fix the functionality, debug it, update, and fix, and implement simple things. So this field right here, We're done with this. The changing the user role is done, dude. Done. All right. Now the next field available is the update price and text. Now, what if he tries to charge $1,000? It doesn't let you, okay? I already implemented that input validation. Okay, so 999. Oh, hang on, I don't have numlock. 900. Whoa. What's happening? Okay, I'm not sure what was going on there. 999. It lets you charge $10,000. Okay. What just happened? Oh, all this updated. Okay, so it is charging $10,000 right now, almost. Let's try and put in 10,000. So he cannot charge more than $10,000 for his system. Okay, let me put that on Notion here. Okay. I might get carried away with validation right now. Okay. So meeting. Okay, these are the notes for the meeting costs. Some validation information. Members cannot enter more than X profits. Members can. Oh, hang on. Okay. Admins cannot demote themselves, but they can demote other admins. Maybe I should remove that functionality. Maybe I should make it so admins can't demote other admins except for him. That would seem like the right way to do it. But I'm gonna offload that. Okay, that's a feature. I'm gonna just offload that for now. It's scope creep. He doesn't need that. He's not gonna have the problem of admins demoting each other if he makes sensible decisions at all. I mean, if he hires crack addicts to run his web system, I guess he'd have to worry about that. Maybe. I don't know. I know a lot of crack addicts that wouldn't demote other admins. So, okay. Seriously, offloading it. Some more validation. So you cannot charge more than $999 and 99¢. Okay, this table needs to show the total. Okay, pain. All right. You guys know why I do that, right? I don't even bother looking for the file. Just upload all of them. Their servers use NVMEs. I don't care. So cannot charge more than $999.99 for your system, but after tax would imply a total value a little more than that for the user. Okay. All right. So current tax rate 0.0824%. So this validation needs to be fixed, obviously. 8.25. Can I even 8.25? Okay, tax rate. Okay, so the tax rate is supposed to be decimalized. Okay. JavaScript. Okay, and the tax when entered in is in decimal form, not percentage form. So this affects the calculation and value, right? Nice. Nice. Okay, what if I try to put in letters? What if I want to charge Apple as my tax rate? Wait, what if I try to leave it blank? Error connecting to server. Okay. Error connecting to server. What on earth? Hey, now it's saying error connecting to server.
For the ones who know safety isn't a catchphrase, it's a culture. And the ones who help make sure everyone makes it home safe. For the safety-minded who watch everyone's backs, Grainger offers supplies and solutions for every industry, as well as safety assessments and training to keep your facilities safe and your people safer. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger.
Okay.
For the ones who get it done.
Let's just make sure. Whoa! Let's just make sure this works. Okay, fit. Beautiful. Okay. Fit. We're all updated. Nice. Okay. What's happening? Okay, beautiful. Nice. Okay. We need to make it so that he cannot charge more than 10% of his tax. So that would be 0.0010, right? Oh no, hang on, that's 0.10. 0.10. Yeah. So yeah, that'd be great for validation. Perfect. Okay, so let's do that. We're gonna just pull up the pane. Okay, now for the tax rate, the user can physically not enter a value any greater than 0.1 for the tax. Please. Thank you. All right. Update the pane. All right. So for now, he can charge a broad tax for his services, but when he starts scaling a little bit, we're going to have to implement APIs for tracking tax to different states. So let me put that in the You cannot charge more than 0.1 for your tax, so that's 10% tax. For now, you can charge a broad tax rate for your clients, but as you scale, we will want to implement an API to or broader feature to match the ability to charge tax depending to charge sales tax depending on the purchaser's locale. Okay, so that's fine. And then what has it done here? It has so it updated the JavaScript and the PHP. Up to the... This was pain that it adjusted here. Do need to clear the JavaScript from our browser one more time. I said it before, but that's what I'm doing every time I clear cache and cookies, is removing the CSS and the JavaScript from my browser. Okay, so 0.111. Okay, yes. Okay, amazing. So cannot enter in anything else. 0.0822. Amazing. This works great. 8.85. So his 0.0825 for Texas, and we'll just leave it at that. And then of course his current rate, I'm gonna just start him off at $399.99 for his services. I don't know what he wants to do. That's my recommendation. I'll even $432.99. I'll even put that in the when I meet with him tomorrow or whatever. We were supposed to meet today, but it's okay. I guess he's busy doing other things. All right, and then honestly, I think this validation is secure, right? Oh, it needs a SQL injection prevention. Yes. Okay, and then we do need SQL injection prevention on these fields for price and tax as well. I don't know if it already has it implemented or not. Okay, update price for the Ajax is going to have SQL prevention, injection prevention. So as far as I can tell, that's fine. I mean, what happens if you put in symbols? I mean, I should probably write down all the things that I test. Symbols, I mean, I could put in a minus sign. No. I mean, nothing really works. So this is so secure. Yeah, it's not, doesn't take letters or anything.
Ones who know safety isn't a catchphrase, it's a culture. And the ones who help make sure everyone makes it home safe. For the safety
Okay.
who watch everyone's backs.
And then we can just, as we move along, let's just see that this still works. Okay. I don't think we changed anything here, but I suppose, of course, if we changed something in the JavaScript, maybe it could have affected this. Let's try to demote ourselves. Cannot demote yourself from admin. It's hilarious. I love it. Okay, so that is the validation for that. Now we have the removal is working with Ajax properly. These details seem relevant. The user interface could use some work, but that could be offloaded to another time. And then we have our upload WebM video. Now, here's our first opportunity. Okay. Now, all of this looks beautiful, by the way. Amazing. Maybe this should be centered. Okay. So let's go to, okay, the titles, video management, and the manage videos title does need to be centered and the same size as the videos management title. maybe even make the manage videos section a breakaway civilization at the bottom in a new section, just like the videos management title. So for example, this would imply you center video management title, but call it upload videos instead. And then where it says manage videos, you would increase the font size, also center it, sectionalize it, and make the spacing of buttons same as above section already is, since it's perfect there. And then also for the video title, when uploading videos, that HTML field does need to be limited to, let's make his titles 30 characters at the most. And then the description does need to be at the most 550 characters. Of course. The choose file button as well needs to have same CSS as all other buttons. What are you doing? Okay, and then okay. That's a good start.
For the ones who know safety isn't a catchphrase, it's a culture. And the ones who help make sure everyone makes it home safe.
We do need to clear our cache, since the nature of our update involves these types of files again. So just gonna, I don't know if we updated our JavaScript here or not, but it's getting rehashed. Okay. And then I'm not sure if we updated more than one PHP file, so they're getting uploaded. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, I love how useful ChatGPT is. So I use two AIs in tandem, right? And it works great. You know, if I have issues with one, I result to the other oracle. If I have issues with one, I consort with the other one, and then I consult with the other one, and it goes back and forth. And then I depend on my own skills ultimately, but I don't want to use my old skills. I'm not trying to learn stuff right now. I'm not trying to broaden my skill set beyond the ability to use AI because it's already here. Might as well accept the change and move with it and develop my own skill sets. Yes, it would help for me to have a broader understanding of code. I have a great foundation, but I mean, to be very verbose in all these languages requires more attention, more time than I've devoted. So we're gonna bring up this one more time. And of course, you know, I do understand broader concepts. Maybe it's the finer ones, and there's a lot of broader ones I don't even know about, but I've been introduced to so much already that this has been an overall enjoyable experience, and I can handle this. Hang on. No input validation. What's happening? The CSS is different. And I know in pain it limited it. Well, it's right here. Max length 330 video upload form. Here it is right here. Did I save this? Did I upload pain in the right area? This makes me feel like I didn't even upload Paint. It just makes me feel like I updated the CSS. No, it's just going on forever. So, what's happening here? I mean, I'm looking at this right here, right? This looks like... Wait, hang on. What is this? Oh, this is the WebM? Wait, what's happening here? Okay, these are the 3 different... Okay, so the max length for the title is 330? What did I tell it earlier? Limited to 330 for the title? What? I can't believe I said that. Hang on. It should be limited to 30. Okay. Okay, implement the 30, and 550 limit for all upload video types, please. So it was really straightforward code, but somehow I made a typo when I was typing really fast. Increased it by a factor of 10 at least, or 11, I guess. I was going for 30, so I increased it by a factor of 11, just because I felt like putting another 3 in there. All right, so that's been updated. Now we need to, just while we're here, now the upload, okay, and we do need SQL injection prevention here, please. To all the database queries, I'm adding SQL injection. Okay. Okay. And then we just updated pane, and we also updated pane. So let's just go to the right directory, get our pane in there. Okay. So I'm convinced this is fine. We can test it anyway. Yep. And then this goes to 550. Oops. That's fine. And then choose file, WebM, upload MP4. Is the description still there? Yes, it is. What happens if you choose a file of one type? Oh my gosh, this validation is going to go on for a while with the video types. I can tell right now, because now I have to get some video types of these types. I need to upload them and manage them and do everything else. So, that's that might be something I push off till tomorrow. This would be a great place actually to pick up at a later time. To perform the rest of the validation on the admin configuration pane. Sounds like a lot of fun. I mean, this is fun for me. I love this stuff. And I love it when it works too. It's beautiful, actually. It's like a symphony, really. What's this user section look like? I can't get over how nice this looks, you guys. Video enabled. Now, what if... Okay, this is going to have the same validation. So I just want to know what a really long description looks like. Whoa. All right, we have some debugging that is still taking place in the top. Looks like it's duplicated as well. So we're going to just put a pin in this right here. We need to finish validating WebM. All right. So this is already done. We're going to validation, top priority of admin configuration pane. We are at the WebM video section, implementing all validation. We have limited cars. We have limited cars now. Need to test upload scenarios of all failed cases. That's just fine. That's going to take a while. And then proceed with sections below to follow proper validation ruling. All right. I got to use the word ruling. This is great. All right. This is done. By the way, we did that first thing in our session today. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hawk Might Agree, developing web systems, PHP, CSS, HTML, database, SQL, JavaScript, using AI, ChatGPT, complex models, also Claude, Sonnet, amazing. So in Cursor AI, of course, using web browser for chat. And this is a good system for me that I have stumbled upon. I have not researched how to use AI that much. If you are a viewer, feel free to comment on my workflows. Feel free to help me improve as a professional, as an individual, trying to increase in my skill sets, trying to execute high-level design plans as quickly as possible so that I can proceed with things that I deem important and not waste my time on things that really are time wasters in nature and don't have a lot of benefit, don't increase the customer satisfaction for my clients, don't make the system really any better, arguably, noticeably, in the end. So things like the FTP file management, the SSHing, things that I try to avoid. I don't want to add complexity. I don't want to spend my time setting up a lot of things I'm only going to use once. I don't know. I'm not experienced enough as a developer to know what I'm going to want to use in the future. I know right now when I'm executing on things to solve design problems, to implement changes, things like when I secure an incremental change, maybe I should make a backup after that. Maybe I should just copy and paste the PHP file or the JavaScript so that I'm happy with my changes. Backtracking is something that I constantly am doing due to my current workflow. So you know what? There is a lot of room for improvement. And if you have thoughts or comments like that, please let me know as soon as you see it. I will probably give you a shout out. I will probably reply to your comment. I will probably try to implement it. If it's a good idea and I think that it will save me time and actually improve me, then I'm definitely going to do it. I have no ego with that. Do not think I am amazing at this. I think that the things I can do are pretty incredible, but you know, as far as my own skills and, you know, I do know what I know. I've been briefed on a lot of this stuff. I've been introduced to it once at one time, and then there's things that I've revisited that I've gone over many times, and I think that's clear by watching me. You know, you can see exactly what level I'm at. It's obvious, right? I mean, I may have pleasant surprises where I'm able to fix things and proceed, but still learning. It's a constantly learning process. This is new technology. I bet. How old is AI? I mean, and so AI is so amazing. Every day I'm using it, I'm like, gosh, this is going to come to an end. You know, the government's going to come in and take away my computer because they'd want me to be poor and live in squalor forever. You know, that's what it feels like. So, you know, guys, stay tuned. We got a lot of developments. I've got a lot of plans for the future, and I'm open to doing new things and creating interesting projects. You know, definitely going to keep you guys along for the ride. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do this 3 hours, 51 minutes. If you stayed all the way till the end, guess what? You get a like from me. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye.